इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर बेस्ड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच अमंग द गिवन ऑप्शंस डज नॉट हैव फ्लैश मेमोरी? आंसर इज कार, रेडियो। Which is a feature included in Microsoft PowerPoint software that allows the user to see all the slides in a presentation at one time? Answer is slide sorter. Which among the given options is IBM's supercomputer? Answer is third one, Watson. Which among the following is another name for a group of 4 bits? Answer is nibble. MS. Which among the following is an important circuitry in a computer system that directs the operation of the processor? Answer is control unit. Which among the following is a recently debated principle that internet service providers and government regulating the internet should treat all data on the internet the same, not discriminating or charging differently by user, content, website, platform, application, type of attached equipment or mode of application? Answer is net neutrality. The use of combination of ones and zeros is feature of which of the following type of computer language? Answer is machine language. If you are allowing a person on the network based on the credentials to maintain the security of your network, then this act refers to the process of authentication. Answer is first one. Which cloud is a cloud computing environment that uses a mix of on-premises private cloud and third-party public cloud services with orchestration between the two platforms, and it is particularly valuable for dynamic or highly changeable workloads? Answer is hybrid cloud. Which among the following is not an object-oriented programming language? Answer is Pascal. There is a network that can connect networks ranging from small location or area to a bigger range, including public packet network and large corporate networks. That network's enterprise allows user to share access to applications, services and other centrally located resources. Its ability for a huge geographical access has transformed networking. Which among the following is that network? Answer is WAN. Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. In MS Word, spelling check is a feature available in which tab? Answer is Review. Which among the following is the smallest unit in an image in a computer screen? Answer is Pixel. BSOD can be caused by poorly written device drivers or malfunctioning hardware such as faulty memory, power supply issues, overheating of components or hardware running beyond its specification limits. Which color screen is displayed when encountered a BSOD error? Answer is blue. In computer programming, there is a set of subroutine definitions, protocols and tools for building software and applications. Which among the following is a term for sets of requirements that govern how one application can talk to another? Answer is API. Integrated chips or ICs were started to be in use from which generation of computers? Answer is third generation. AT&T designed its first commercial modem specifically for converting digital computer data to analog signals for transmission across its long-distance network. What is the name of the modem? Answer is data phone. Fifth one. Which among the following key can be used as a shortcut to rename a folder in Microsoft Windows 8 and higher versions? Answer is F2. Which among the following is not a mobile operating system? Answer is Safari.